ngayon sa bank. Stretch muna kasi 5 hours driving is...
Wait.
Tapos na yung 5 hours driving, guys. Then, maybe 5 more hours para makarating kami sa Edmonton. Pero dito muna kami.
Actually, 4 hours.
Ha?
4 hours.
Ay, 4 hours. Yeah. Kumayan! Hello!
Hello!
Hi.
Ayan guys, kakaiba talaga ang view ng bump na to. Kahit ilang beses mong balik-balikan, hindi ka talaga magsasawa. Ayan, kagaya ng bundok na yan. Ayan, paikot yan guys. Ayun. Hanggang dito. Ayan si Uncle Jan. Tsaka si Granny. Ayan.
Halika na.
Pa tayo?
Balik na tayo.
Balik tayo? O, ikaw.
Na-video ka naman eh.
Kung gusto mong mag-drive ka na.
Oo.
Hawakan mo to. Hawakan mo na. Sure ka ha?
Oo.
Matutulog tayo tatlo sa pen. Mamimilig tayo sa inaw.
Smiling to another tasteless day. The lucky gets to choose a shade of grey. Summer never sets foot in this town. Who clamps his clothes on you and drags you down. And I know life with me is not always light. Been drinking, screwing, itching.